Okay, I have an original card routine to share with you today. As you can see, I have 18 cards of various values, suits, and colors. Now, what we're going to do here is something that's very seldomly done. We're going to do everything with the cards face up so that you can see exactly what's going on with the cards. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just give it a Charlier shuffle. So if you haven't seen this before, it's one worth learning. It's a great way to mix the cards. More importantly, I need you to come in here and randomly cut the cards wherever you would like and complete the cut. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to deal cards to the table until you tell me to stop. Now it might be nice to get about half of the packet just for mixing purposes, but it really is your choice. So I'll begin dealing. Stop there. Okay, that's good. That's probably about half. I don't think it's exactly half, but it's fairly close. Now what we're going to do is a Rosette shuffle. So this is where you spin the cards, and I need you to come in here and bring the cards together. Okay, now they may bump up against each other, and that's fine. So just bring those together like that. Okay, very good. And now from here, I'm going to go ahead and mix them further using a powerful shuffle in card magic. It's called the Klondike shuffle. This is where you take the top and bottom cards off as one. Okay, a great way to mix the cards. Okay, and then from here, I'll go ahead and perform another, believe it or not, Charlier shuffle. Okay, so this is a top to bottom, bottom to top sort of shuffle. But most importantly of all, I need you to come here and randomly cut the cards wherever you would like. Okay, so maybe we'll cut them there and then complete the cut. Okay, very good. Now to finish, all we're going to do is deal out the cards into two piles, a left pile and a right, and you are going to choose which one we finish with. Okay, so which one we actually use. So whichever one you point to, that is the one we'll use. Okay, now note to you as the performer, it really is the case that the spectator can point to either pile. Okay, so let's say they point to this one, and as promised, that's the one we're going to use. So we'll discard these. We won't need those anymore. And then I actually have a written prediction off to the side. So let's just spread the cards here and see what we're looking at. So what is this written prediction? What could I have possibly predicted ahead of time here? Your chosen packet of 9 cards, of course there's 9 of them, that's half of 18, will consist of what? 4 red cards with card values that begin with the letters A, F, S, or T. Oh boy, let's check that first. Okay, so these are red cards. So we'll go ahead and gather up the red. We'll set aside the black for a second. Okay, so what is it saying here? You'll have 4, and there were 4, so that's nice. We got that part of the prediction correct. Okay, is it true that we have one that has an A for the first letter in its name? You help me find those. Oh, of course, an ace. That begins with an A. What about F? Any of these begin with an F? 5, of course. What about an S? 7. That begins with an S. And then T, 2. 2 begins with an S. A T, sorry. Excellent work. Okay, what about the rest of the cards here? Let's just take a look here. Apparently there's 5 black cards, which there are because there's 4 red, with card value names that begin with the letters F, N, Q, S, T. Okay, what are the chances of that? Okay, so F. So let's just fan these out. Do any of these begin with the letter F? Well, 4 does. F-O-U-R. What about an N? Do any of these begin with an N? Oh, 9 does, of course. Q, a queen, obviously. S, oh, there's a 7 again. There you go. And then a T, yes indeed, 10 begins with the letter T. That is beyond belief. How did you pull that off? Okay, so how does this work? Well, you just begin with the packet that I showed you at the very beginning. That's the beginning packet. It's completely built to work as demonstrated here. So if you just simply perform the steps that I showed you, this is guaranteed to work. It's using both the Gilbreath Principle as well as one other principle on my channel that I can explain in the description below if you're interested. So begin with that starting packet and do everything that I did, and this is going to work out exactly as it did here for the demonstration. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.